Hi everyone, this is Spring from IBM ECM Level 2 support team in Asia Pacific region. In this video, I will continue to show you the Ansible script. So we come to the step 3, prepare LDAP and database. Okay, so in this playbook, actually we will first perform a silent install of IBM Security Directory Server SDS. Then install DB2 and create DB2 instance and also configure the DB2 for SDS, and also import the LDAP to directory server SDS, and then we'll create all the needed ECM database, including the GCD, object store, and also the ICN database. Okay, let's back to the playbook. Okay. First, we can see we are located in the LDAP DB server, and then we will use that variable YAML file, ECM DB YAML. Okay, and then we will first create the working directory in the LDAP DB server, and then we'll also copy that shell to LDAP server. Okay, this is SDS install shell. Okay, then we'll be executing this shell SDS install the shell, and then also we'll copy copy the LDAP SDS configure and DB2 instance creation shell to LDAP DB server, and then executing that shell. Okay, and also import LDAP entries and verification shell to LDAP DB server. Okay, then we'll create copy the prepared DB shell script to the DB instance home directory, then executing. Okay, here the two important files I will show you here. The first one is LDAP file content. Okay, this is all the LDAP entries we need to import to the LDAP server. Okay, you can see here is the base DN. Okay, and also the users and groups, and then the admin group, and also the key user for ECM, PA admin. Okay, this user, admin user, ECM admin user. CN, this is whole DN. CN equals PA admin, and comma CN equals users, comma OU equals ECM, comma O equals IBM, comma DC equals CN. Okay, this is PA administrator. Okay, and also the PA administrator group, PA admins, and also task admins or task manager, task users, and task auditors, and also user 1, 2, 3. Okay, all those entries will import to the LDAP server. Okay, and here is a ECM database DB script. You can see first we need to create a root directory for the DB database data root folder. Okay, and then we'll create a database. Okay, in the YAML file. Okay, well, you can see we use that 4DB clause 4DB in database, and then we will also use if, like DB type equals GCD, what we need to do, and also what if the object store, what we need to do. Okay. Okay, I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.